Okay, in this video, I want to talk to you about a scenario when it may be in your best interest to quit a company, all right, to leave. And I've entitled it Getting a Promotion by Quitting because these are scenarios when you're able to take advantage of quitting to move up in a different organization, okay? Given what it is, research shows that today it is very uncommon and very difficult for employees to move up the organization as quickly as they could along their career path if they are willing to change jobs and jump to other companies. Now, why is that true? Well, the problem is that today in time, with lateral job openings come open, lateral transfers are when employees have the skill, knowledge, and requisite credentials for a position. They jump from one job to the next. But it can create a lot of dissension in the ranks when somebody goes up the ranks extremely quickly, that type of scenario. And much of what we know is that individuals promote based upon, yes, competence for the position, but how well you fit with your superiors. Okay, so that being said, oftentimes you can't move up until your superior moves up type scenario. So it's more common for out there in the wide job world for positions to come open in some other company that allows you to step into that role once you do have that competency, credential, skills, that type of thing. Okay, so to start with, you know, it's not technically a promotion because you are changing jobs, right? You're changing companies. In some scenarios, you may even be changing industries, right? You're moving to something completely different. Now, your job function might be the same, but you're learning a new industry type thing that offers more potential, right? You go from working in industrial manufacturing to a service base, right? Financial services industry type thing. You may be working in operations. You may be working in marketing or accounting where a lot of the functions are the same. But again, it changes your trajectory and gives you more upward potential and momentum. Even if the job you take in the other company does not, again, promote you immediately, it gives you an immediate path for promotion. So you are then, by quitting your current job, you're giving yourself a path and opportunity for promotion. And then lastly, starting your own business. Most entrepreneurs start businesses in areas with which they are very familiar. Okay, and lots of that familiarity tends to come from working in a business, working in someone else's business, working in a family business, and then you recognize the places where you can add value, the places where there are inefficiencies, things like that, so you can step away from what you're doing, open your own business, and take advantage of that opportunity. Okay, so once again, you can promote yourself, or day one you're chief executive or the highest ranking individual in the company because it's your company, right? So anyway, that being said, oftentimes quitting your company is the right answer for moving you along and up in your career path.